Ngabuya sizwa na, ngabe ziyafika na izikhalo zethu, baba singabantwana bakho. Hey guys, welcome back to another tasty video. It's all nice and sweet things on this channel, no beef, literally singabi pizza guys. If you're new here, igama lami nguSicebiso Nkwakaqwabe. Ngizenzela nje ama-vlog akukho kuningi okuthini, but if nje ubuka ama-video you'll see what I'm offering in this channel. It's more of life memories and whatever. So I decided to come and also store this story time here, so that masengixolile mangibheke emuva ngiyamangala, cause guys ngiyantshela, uyabona nje the week yange 23 to 29 hayibo kwakuningi. Anyway, asiqaleni. I got a job and all thanks to Usilundile Mkhwanazi. She did a thing, I won't lie. Also, it's not Madlanga commission vibes. As it's he Nazi Slundi, I was far face. No. She just recommended me kuma boss wake. Excuse me. She just recommended me kuma boss wake is, I think that's the English. Ukuthi na English siphelile ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa ke yeah. And then bangithinta ke because khona pharmacist behamba. I think ngizoyibona somewhere if I do attach those videos. As the stories quick. Then yeah, they did call me and then they asked me to start on the 18th of March as training. I had booked a locum on that weekend, Yangi 21, 22. So I told them 21, 22, I'm not gonna be there. Ngobuya futhi 23. So ngizofika nge 18, 19, 20. Phinde ngibuye futhi nge 23 and then until cool. Ngiyaqala nge 18 and then I look for accommodation. Angitholi eMandeni accommodation guys. Kwenzakalani? Kodwa kasikho lapho. Angitholi lelo viki lelo 18, 19, 20 angitholi accommodation. Also ngangiplan ukuthi ngizongixoxa story time ukuthi I got a job from uMahlalela to someone ozovuka njengezinye ingane kuseni. Fine, akwenzeki because I had a busy weekend as well. I get 23 ngiyabuya ngiyaqhubeka ngithi nokufuna accommodation. Mind you, I'm only doing viewings nge-lunch na after work. Cool. Utholthemba aze angitholele i-agent. Utholthemba is the pharmacist that was moving. Angitholele agent and then I sihambe ne-agent kube neyinkinga guys, kube uyabona inkinga ze-accommodation ne ngangithi zona kuphela nje empilweni, ngangithi nje wow, I am going through it. Okay, accommodation ngithi sengithathile kube kuthiwa kukhona umuntu ozoviewa, ngithi sengikhokhile ilizi kodwa kuthiwa ngayisayini so angikhona ukungena. Yabo nje kube nalezo inkinga nje kube ngilwele. This is the accommodation by the way. Ngilwele iyo lengihleli kuyo. Ngilwele okay fine. Ilunga indaba ye accommodation. But nakhona ilunga, I don't know after how many days because every day kuba ngathi kuyalunga then the next day kuqhamuke enye inkinga, kube ngathi kuyalunga then the next day kuqhamuke enye inkinga. Ngize ngizibuza ukuthi hayibo, am I even supposed to be here? Like, is this my job? Is what's happening? Because I had never experienced such a thing before. But ngibenge ngizitshela ukuthi it's adulting, whatnot, yabo. Okay, kulo lelo viki ngifonelwe uClixi angazi yini obungayiboni kahle and vele yimi bengikhona ngeweekend, and then they're asking, okay, they do call vele if bekade ukhona ngeweekend and they want to ask something, but because I was going through that phase and babefona vele ngisanda kutshela ukuthi there's a potential viewer in my room or what yabo. So ufona nawo Clixi uzongibuza ngezinto esengikhohliwe. I'm like, what's going on, what are you talking about, yabo? And then I thought, okay, wait, let me investigate further, because kwasekufanele ukuthi ngibuyele empangeni. I think yes, ngibuyele empangeni ngiyobatshela ukuthi or whatever that issue was ngiyoyilungisa khona. Ayibo, aqala athi okay, let me investigate further, and then I investigate, and then angabe sangifonela masiku right, ngimkaleli hour bese mina ngiyamfonela ngimbuza ukuthi hayibo wafona wangithusa, and then wathula, and then she was like, okay, everything is fine, I'm sorry, busy, bekuyi mistake nyana nje esayidini lami. And then I was like, okay, cool, at least okunye kuyalunga, fine. Indaba yendlu nayo ihambe kube ngathi iyalunga, yabo, kube ngathi yahlangana. Okay, so angithi seyilungile indaba yakaClix, fine. Le accommodation ngini ukuthi okay, at least ngakusasa maybe kuzobe kune progress, or I don't know, ngakusasa kuzilungeke izinto, fine. I asked my mom to come and help me clean indlu, because mina most of the time ngisemsebenzini and mangibuya ngizobuya ngikhathele, yabo. So I asked her to come on Friday. On that Friday, yes, I think it was a Friday, yes. She comes, she cleans, and then angaqedi asho ukuthi no, besekhathele nje nayo idinga usizo vele, because ube yedwa. Sasa uzoza no-Avi noLuzi. If you remember, I'm assistant. Ngaze ngabakhumbula. Kodwa ke is, and then athi uzoza nabo so that bezoqhubeka beclean nje, yabo. Everything is coming together, guys. Everything is coming along. Nami sengiqala ukuba happy manje, sengiqala nokuthi ngifuna ukulungiselela ukuthi ama-vlog ami sizowenza kanjani, like sizohlobisa kanjani, yabo. Nje impilo ngathi yahlangana, but kubeke emqondweni ukuthi ngoba ngizongena la endlini, imali deposit, imali yani car payments and whatnot, bengibolekile vele, so I'm already in debt. Kubambe lokhu I'm already in debt, but in my mind obviously ngizokhokha vele like in a few months, and then siqhubeke nempilo, yabo. Cool. Hayi, makuthiwa inkinga siyakwazi ukuba ukwazo. Okay, befika ngomgqibelo beclean kumnandi, and then okay, ngishayise bengilande sifike size la endlini to ukuthi nje bengibonise, bengicheck nami ukuthi babeke phi ini nani, yabo. Okay, cool. Emva lokho kumele siphindele ekhaya, so that mina ngizobuya ngedwa ngakusasa. Sihambe ke sikhaya, sihappy nje kumnandi. Babonile la ngihlala khona, like ngathini nabo umoya wabo ukhulekile, yabo. Nje Avi kumnandi, sesikhuluma indaba zokuthi mele bezovakasha makuvala igoli, yabo. Nje it's nice in the car, ayibo. Also kwakumele siyolanda usiwe eOngoye, so sizohamba ngeGingi Ndlovu. Mas off-rampa nje kwiGingi Ndlovu, ngishaya ngani imoto ngemuva. ayingishayanga nemonto. I'm gonna put pictures here and here. Hey bo. I was like, there's no way. Like, what is going on? Same week, everything nje yenzeka ngesikhathi esisodwa. Is this my job? What's going on? Yabo, bese ngi-overthinka lapho sengenzi, okay, ngiyayeka. Okay, I'm not taking this job because why is this happening manje? Like, kwenzakalani? Guys wangishaya, baba bantu, hana insurance, baba bantu. Also ngangifocuse nasekuthenini he was bleeding because walimala kancane la, so he was bleeding. Nami sengifocuse ekuthenini ayibo Nkosi yami uyableeda, I wanted to try and stop the bleeding. Nje yabo leya trauma angifiseli umuntu, but I called the police and I called the insurance and then they took the car. So now the problem is gune excess 14,200 and obviously bekufanele ngabe iphuma kuye lo baba, but guys ngizokwenza njani? Wayengenayo insurance. To sahamba nje yabona nje Nkosi yami. Now he has to fix his car, yabo. Now I also have to fix mine. Ngidli my comments. Guys, I don't know. I just let him go, you know. Angazi ngayibuka lento as if like le iqondene nami, because obviously it's an accident also. Like akekho umuntu ongavela zokushaya ngemuva ngamaboom, yabo, it was an accident. Yabo. So baba bantu, angazi nje, I don't want to talk much about him or yeah, so nje save samdedela Nkosi yami, wayejahile nasefryhead yabo. But yeah, the problem was that now I have to pay 14,200 and vele kwa-insurance bafuna ama-details akhe, ne-insurance yakhe. Akanayo insurance ngabe just akanayo insurance, so it's fine. And then shout out to my friends also. My friends, hey. Firstly, ulund ungithola umsebenzi. Secondly, my friends bangiboleka imali le yokmove, my life partners Lungisani. Now uSiphile noNomcebo, they are also offering to borrow me imali excess. Shout out to my friends. Like, guys, I have friends. Okay, akugcini lapho sike ngiyazama uku-accept ukuthi okay sekwenzekile ke lokho. How am I gonna go to work? Because le ndawo le ngihleli kuyo amateksi awangeni. Amateksi awangeni, akukhulunywa ngamateksi, kukhulunywa ngama meter taxi 150 per day. Usabathe uyanegotiate abehli or mabehli kuba 100 per day, uzothi uyamfonela ngakusasa sekushintshile umqondo semile na ku 150 per day. Yo guys, ngikowa kuleliya viki. Basic shout out to my mom also and her friends, because nabo bebengisiza kakhulu. And then angazi ukuthi bafonele bani owazi bani, uyena kongitransportayo, samfakela 1.5 for the whole month. So ngoba nje mhlawumbe imonto izothatha lo 3 months or yabo, I don't know, Toyota, do something bro, like sponsor me. Toyota, bro. Do something. I don't have a car. Too. Yo, guys, ilezo ke zimbi. Like, angazi noma khona engikushiya. I feel like khona engikushiyayo obekuyibhadi okwangehlela kulelo viki because leliya viki I swear angilifuni. I am now trying to heal. I am trying to accept a situation. Kunzima ke kodwa khona kunzima. I'm just grateful for abantu abaseduze kwami, my family, my friends. Nje, yo. So, guys, that's the story. That's the sad story that I had. That's the life update I had because manje is ngisendlini ngihlezi espontshini obvious. And the thing is, sengizohlala espontshini for the next 3, 4, 5 months. But it doesn't matter. Later on in the year, so the decorating, we'll do vlogs if ngizobe ngisakhona la. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.